I want to build a brand. I want to build a personal brand surrounding car detailing, storage, car culture in the Netherlands and in Europe. My name's Charlie. We're in Charlie Detailing in the Netherlands, Utrecht. It's a car storage facility and also high-end car detailing shop. So we do ceramic coating, PPF, paint corrections, all that kind of good stuff. I have always been into cars, but my background is actually super yachts. So I used to work on super yachts for 10 years. I worked on some of the largest yachts in the world, doing very similar things, caring for the yacht, washing it, polishing it, painting it. So I had a lot of transferable skills. I wanted to settle down and start a business, and this was kind of the most logical step for me. We offer a place where people can store their cars, keep them safe in a climate-controlled environment. We keep them charged, covered, maintained, and always detailed. So it's a nice place where someone can leave something that's worth a lot of money and dear to them. They can leave it here and they know it's safe and they know it's been well looked after. I think the one thing all our customers expect is when they arrive here, their car is ready to go and it's as good as when they left it here. So for us, keeping them covered is really important. They need to stay dust-free, and battery maintenance is probably the next big thing. If we don't charge cars, or if customers bring cars that haven't been charged for a while, it can turn into a real headache. And if batteries die, then a lot of the time you have to replace them. So keeping them maintained, everything plugged in at all times is the #1 thing for us. So as soon as a car has been detailed, washed and covered and put away, straight onto the charger so we don't need to worry about anything. Behind me, we've got an Aston Martin DB4, which is it's the one before James Bond's, but it's very much a James Bond spec. Very nice. I think this is probably everyone's favourite when they come here. Upstairs we have a couple of Ford GTs. So we have a 2006 Ford GT with a supercharged V8, which is also a bit of a favourite. A 2022 Ford GT Carbon Series, which is super rare and also a lovely spec. A couple of Ferraris here behind the curtain, and some other classics, some Mazda RX-7s, and yeah, some cool cars. It's going really well. We're just over 6 months in. We've got a real loyal customer base, and yeah, we're really in that infancy. So it's exciting times, and we're growing quickly. So yeah, watch this space.